through this week, well, the weather's going to get colder from the north. We've got some problems with the forecast, notably from Wednesday onwards, though. The confidence in the accuracy of these weather maps starts to go downhill from Wednesday through Thursday and Friday. I'll give you an idea of what we're expecting at the moment, but we will be keeping you updated from now onwards. Oh, no big problems as far as today is concerned. These fairly brisk southwesterly winds moving in, bringing a lot of cloud, and this weather front just indicating where thicker cloud will bring a little bit of drizzle and rain eastwards across the country. Those isobars getting tighter together, particularly across northern areas for Monday. It's going to be a windy day, the central and northern regions. Again, a lot of cloud around. This weather front beginning to push in towards the north of Scotland, bringing more rain later in the day. And that will push further southwards as we head through Tuesday, introducing clearer, colder weather across the north of Britain. Now, this is when we start to get into the problems. What's going to happen to this low pressure? At the moment, it looks as if it will fairly move close by across the country, perhaps just bringing this weather front close in towards Northern Ireland, southern Scotland and northern England for a time before beginning to move away down through towards the south. And it may be that by the end of the week we see a big high pressure moving in, bringing frost, clear, sunny weather, but also some freezing fog. Now, the next day or so is going to be mild, definitely. Then we start to see it turning frosty at night across northern regions. It will still be mild in the south. Only later in the week will it get cold during the day across southern regions, with frost fairly widespread over the last few nights. Mild weather for most areas, temperatures around 9 in some southeastern districts, but up into double figures across much of central and northern Britain. A lot of cloud around, a few brighter spells of weather around Shropshire, northeastern regions of Wales, up in towards the Cheshire Plain area at the moment. Otherwise, a bit of drizzle in the east. Some of that will clear away. It may brighten a touch, but many southern and particularly western regions remain cloudy with drizzle and a bit of rain on the wind, particularly across Scotland through the rest of the day. Patchy drizzle and rain over most of the country overnight tonight. More persistent rain in the north of Scotland, a mild and increasingly windy night across northern regions. Those gales pushing more cloud in, again mostly across the west through the course of Monday. Some brighter, very mild weather in central and sheltered eastern areas. The wetter weather beginning to move down across towards Northern Ireland and in towards northern England late in the day, and pushing further southwards during Tuesday, allowing colder weather to come in, temperatures dropping, the sun coming out, but some wintry showers coming in to the northern and eastern coasts. Then we get to the problem area. Exactly how far north and then how far south will that low move? It's a problem because there'll be snow and sleet on the northern edge of it. It could cause problems, but we'll be keeping you updated with what we think is going to happen. It'll start to move away southwards, the really colder weather moving in from the north through Wednesday and Thursday, and then perhaps, as I say, on Friday, things settling down under the high, but freezing fog by then becoming more of a problem. Bye for now.
What's going to happen behind